All right, let's kickstart this edition with some news just coming in at this point in time. Batenge Katenge slogan's big flashpoint is what we're reporting on. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath reiterating the Batenge Katenge walk cry. Ajit Pawar hits back, claims Yogi. Congress Chief Khadge's counter to BJP's Batenge Katenge. Khadge says, "Dar gaye to mar gaye." Meanwhile, Uttar Pradesh Deputy Chief Minister distances from Batenge Katenge. Keshav Prasad Maurya says, "Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas is my slogan." Ajit Pawar, NCP chief on Batenge to Katenge slogan says, "Don't be afraid. Nobody can do anything to you. I am with you." A few days ago, leader came. He was the chief minister of the state. He made an announcement. I told him that this announcement will not work in Maharashtra. Of Shiva, Shahu, Phule and Ambedkar. Mallikarjun Kharge, Congress chief in Jamtara in Jharkhand says, they say, "Bat gaye to kat gaye. I say dar gaye to mar gaye." Keshav Prasad Maurya has distanced itself from Yogi Adityanath's comments. Batenge to katenge.
और भाइयों, 20 नवंबर को हमें ये बात जरूर ध्यान में रखना है कि बटेंगे तो एक रहेंगे।
हमारे सर्वोच्च नेता, मेरे भी नेता, मेरे मुख्यमंत्री जी के भी नेता, देश भर के संपूर्ण भाजपा के नेता माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी, उन्होंने एक नारा दे दिया है, जैसे सबका साथ सबका विकास, वैसे दे दिया है, एक रहेंगे तो सेफ रहेंगे, वही नारा है। और उस पर उसके अलावा
कटेंगे तो बटेंगे क्या
आप मेरा देखिए, मैं इस पर कोई टिप्पणी नहीं करूंगा, लेकिन मेरा नारा या मेरे जैसे सभी करोड़ों कार्यकर्ताओं का नारा, जो हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी का नारा है, वही नारा।
आम्ही शिवशाहू फुले आंबेडकरांच्या विचाराचे लोक आहोत। आम्ही सर्वांना बरोबर घेऊन जातो। आमच्यामध्ये जातीय सलोखा ठेवतो। कुठेही जातीय त्या ठिकाणी अंतर पडू नये, दरी निर्माण होऊ नये, याकरता आम्ही काम करतो। मधी एक नेते आले, एका राज्यातले मुख्यमंत्री होते, आणि त्या ठिकाणी घोषणा केली, बटेंगे तो कटेंगे, असली काहीतरी घोषणा केली। मी त्यांना सांगितलं, ही घोषणा शिवशाहू फुले आंबेडकरांच्या महाराष्ट्राला चालणार नाही।
मैं इतना ही कहूंगा, डरो मत। अगर डर गए तो मर गए। वो बोलते ना, बट गए तो कट गए। मैं तो एक ही बोलूंगा, अगर आप डर गए तो मर गए। आप एक होप के देश को बचाना है, चाहे हिंदू हो, मुसलमान हो, सिख हो, ईसाई हो, कोई भी हो, आदिवासी लड़े हैं।
I'm going to go straight across to Mustafa Sheikh for more details. Mustafa, even within the BJP camp, and we see that voices are growing essentially for this slogan, or rather against this slogan, saying that this isn't our slogan and that we don't really support it. Essentially against the slogan that has been coined by the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, isn't it? That's playing out in the Maharashtra elections.
Well, yes, you can say that there are, some understanding of the sentiments of what is going on in Maharashtra this time, and it seems that it's from down to top, like from the candidates of the BJP who are campaigning, who are getting feedback on a daily basis from the constituency, have seemed to realize that this is a slogan which is causing difference and which can isolate an entire vote bank from the party, from the alliance. So hence, there is a shift from Batenge to Katenge to Ek Hai To Safe Hai, and Ajit Pawar, BJP leaders, and now Keshav Prasad Maurya, they have clearly, they have clearly said that they are not in the favor of this slogan Batenge to Katenge, but a slogan which says Ek Hai To Safe Hai. So that's you can say a more loose version of what Yogi Adityanath had said, and that is a version which is being accepted by be it BJP leaders, be it leaders in Maharashtra. But with an exception of Devendra Fadnavis, the Deputy Chief Minister, Home Minister, he has remained defiant. He is saying that people have misconstrued and misunderstood this war cry. He maintains that Batenge to Katenge is against vote jihad which has happened in Maharashtra in Lok Sabha elections, and now he says again it's going to happen. That's why many Maulanas or ulamas are asking people to vote for MVA. Back to you.
Leave it at that. Mustafa Sheikh getting us up to speed with those details as far as the war of words over the slogan Batenge to Katenge is concerned.